So welcome guys to another video on mathematics. Today we will be solving questions on profit, loss and discount. At the end of the video, I'll be giving you a question to solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. So let's begin. So here's the first question. A boy buys some apples at the rate of 12 apples per rupee 1. Okay, so how many apples should he sell for a rupee to gain a profit of 20%? So to solve this, let's first write how many apples he buys for rupee 1. So if he buys 12 apples for rupee 1, okay, so for one apple, he would be paying is 1 by 12. Okay, so here it is written over here that 20% profit is to be made. So we'll write, okay, first let's understand what is this profit of 20%. So if we are buying for rupees 100 and we are making a profit of 20% by selling, so the selling price will be 120. So same thing will be using here. So 120 will write the profit and down here will be write the cost price. Okay, so that will come around 1 by 10. So that means selling price should be 10 apples for rupee 1. So if he sells 10 apples for rupee 1, he will be making a profit of 20%. Okay, let's go to the next question. Here's a similar question. A boy buys some apples at the rate of 24 apples for a rupee. So how many apples should he sell for a rupee to gain a profit of 20%? Same approach. We'll be writing number of apples over here for a rupee. So for one apple, he is paying 1 by 24. Okay. He has to make a profit of 20%. So as in the previous question, we'll be writing the selling price by the cost price. Okay. So this would come around 1 by 20. So the selling price should be 20 apples for a rupee to make 20% of profit. Okay. Move on to the next question. A little bit different. A man faces a loss of 40% after selling 10 apples for a rupee. Okay. So how many apples should he sell for a rupee to get 20% profit? Similarly, in the previous question, so we will be writing first. So he is buying 10 apples for 1 rupee. So one will be bought at 1 by 10 rupees. So here, as in the previous question, cost price, CP and SP. So if it is 100 and making a profit of 20%, so it will be 20. So here he has faced a loss of 40%. So this should be 60 and this will remain as 120. Okay. So as we know, we'll write the selling price over here on the top in the numerator and the cost price in the denominator. So by this we get 5. So he should sell 5 apples for a rupee in order to gain a profit of 20%. Okay. So here's another question. By selling 45 apples for rupees 40, a man faces a loss of 20%. How many should he sell for rupees 24 to earn a profit of 20%? Okay. Like the previous one, he sells 45 apples at a cost at rupees of 40 rupees. Okay. So he, for one apple, the price is 40 by 45. Okay, like the previous one, we'll write the profit he has to make, that is 120, and what loss he has faced, 80. The last 20% should be 80. Okay, so this becomes, so 4 by 3. Now the question is for rupees 24. Okay, how many should he sell for rupees 24 in order to make 20% profit? So this is our price. So we'll be multiplying 6 over here and 6 over here. That will become 24, and this is 18. So for rupees 24, he's selling 18 apples. Okay, option B. Got it? Here's a question that will be given as homework. Solve this question and answer in the comments. Okay. So if you find the video to be informative and useful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel to never miss an update from us.